I'm talking about losing weight. I tried almost everything, starting from dieting to heavy workouts and different medicines, but none of them worked for me. As time passed, I got frustrated and a huge chunk of my day went in just researching for some sort of machine or medicine which would genuinely show results. But I never found one. All of a sudden, one fine day, I was just scrolling down my social media and this bottle of capsules named Meticor popped up and took my whole attention. I went straight on their website. I looked for various reviews from different social media pages and I was like, I have to try this. At that very moment, I took out my credit card, put on my details and ordered 3 bottles of their products from their website. So if you're looking at getting one for yourself, you can check the link in description. My excitement at that very moment was at the peak. I can't even describe in words. I couldn't wait for the parcel to reach my home. After a week, I got my parcel. I opened the box. I took out the bottles and this time I was very much determined and had a lot of expectations from it. Moreover, it also gave me a very positive vibes which made me feel very confident. That night, I read the whole booklet and understood the course of this medicine. Now, the only thing which were required was consistency and determination to complete the full course without missing even a single day in between. From the very next day, I started the medication. I used to eat 2 pills every day and continued them for 30 days when I first noticed slight changes in my body. Not only my weight decreased, but also I was feeling more energetic, more confident and more powerful. After seeing those results, I got a lot of motivation. I felt extremely happy and proud of myself. But remember, that was just the beginning of something big. After seeing those results, I continued with the capsules with same number of dosages in a day. At this moment, I even stopped eating junk food or oily food so as to become more efficient and fast in my process. Days went on passing and my weight kept on decreasing, and after 3 months from the date of the start of the course, when I checked my weight, I was shocked. Literally shocked. I had lost 20 kgs in just past 3 months, which I couldn't do it in last 4 years. Tears just fell off my eyes, but I was now much stronger, healthier and charming. I felt proud of myself after achieving this success. I must say that those 3 months were really life-changing for me. And all this could only happen because of Meticor. If I wouldn't have found Meticor 3 months back, I'm sure I wouldn't be here and making this video for you guys. Meticor, my friends, is a very effective, or I should say the most effective medicine I have seen in my entire life. The main reason for slow metabolism is low core body temperature, which indirectly causes obesity. Until I found Meticor, I was also working very hard to lose my excess body weight, but it was in the wrong direction. But now, since I'm using Meticor, it is targeting the problems from grassroots level to help me reduce my weight in a long run. Meticor has every nutrient which is needed to target low core body temperature. It is a blend of 6 high quality nutrients and plants which is very effective against the fundamental cause, slow metabolism. I can guarantee you, if you follow the prescribed course wholeheartedly and consistently, then you'll definitely see some really big changes in your body. Furthermore, the capsules are FDA approved, good manufacturing practice certified. The best thing which I found regarding these capsules is that they are 100% vegetarian and free from any kind of stimulants and GMO. Besides all these great things about Meticor, one thing more is that it comes with 100% money back guarantee. Although you won't regret after ordering them, but then also for some reason, if you are not satisfied with their product, you can request for a return within 60 days and all the money will be sent back to you within 2 days. So by now, I think I have cleared all your doubts regarding the Meticor capsules, and now I will tell you some pros and cons based on my own experiences. So the very first advantage is that it increases our metabolism. Unlike some other medicine, it makes our body self-sufficient to break down the food properly so that it may not accumulate in our stomach and make us obese. Secondly, based on my own experience, I must say I did not only lose weight by these capsules, but also became more active and less lethargic, all because of its antioxidants properties. So you see me now. And thirdly, it's reasonable pricing. I mean, it won't bother my pocket, and that's the best thing. Now I must tell you about its cons. The only thing which bothered me is maintaining regularity. I must say that this is the only big thing which can decide your end results. If you are really consistent, then you will come out with flying colors after the completion of the course. Also, to your ease, I have put a link to their official website in the description box below. You may check out that to even get a good discount. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. For any queries or suggestions, please feel free to put it in the comment box. Thank you.